What's going on, guys? I've got my Ninja coffee bar here, and as you can see, I've got the clean light on right here. Basically, I'm just going to walk you guys through how to get rid of that light. Really, that light doesn't stop you from brewing coffee. You can brew coffee all you want while that light is on, but really that's just telling you that the internals need to be cleaned. And you really do this with kind of a 50-50 of white vinegar and water. First thing you want to do is obviously make sure there's no coffee grounds in here. So I got my coffee grounds in here from this morning. So let me dump these guys out. There we go. Put that guy back in there. Then you want to get this knob right here. You want to make sure you turn this knob right here all the way over to a full carafe. Then you want to get your white vinegar. This is not skim milk, this is white vinegar. You want to fill it up to the half mark right here. I've got 4 cups of vinegar in this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to then fill it the rest of the way up with water. So I'm going to fill this up with water. I'm going to fill it all the way up to the max line. There we go. Close the lid. It says clean here and it says clean. I'm going to press the clean button. It's going to go through this cycle for about 1 hour, and it's going to make a whole lot of noise for about the first 10 minutes, but you're going to notice the water is going to start coming down from here really slowly. But this whole process is going to take about an hour, so I'll come back in 1 hour. There's actually a little countdown here. You can see it says 59 more minutes. We are 30 minutes in, there's 30 minutes left, and hardly any water has come out of here, but it's brewing, it's hissing, it's making all of its noise. We'll come back in about 25 minutes. I'll give you another update. 1 hour in and the reservoir is completely empty and the carafe is full. As you can see down here it says flush, so that is the next thing that I need to do. I need to flush the system. In order to flush it I need to rinse out the carafe. I'm going to clean out the basket here. I'm going to rinse this out and then I'm going to fill it up with water and I'm going to press the clean cycle one more time. I rinsed out the carafe. I rinsed out the strainer. I rinsed out this. Now I'm going to fill this up to the max line with some clean water. It's exactly 1 gallon. I'm going to press clean one more time. So this process is going to take about 10 minutes. We're just flushing through with some clean water. And then as soon as this is done, it's going to be ready for some coffee. And this is the 3rd time I've done this. I've had this for almost a year. And we drink coffee pretty regularly. And even after just 1 flush, there's no vinegar taste at all. So I'll come back to you guys in about 8 minutes. It actually took just under 10 minutes. And as you can see, the clean light is no longer flashing. Let me give you a little close-up. As you can see, the clean light is no longer flashing and it no longer says flush. It says the time. It's as simple as that. Now you've got 1 clean coffee Ninja bar. If you have any questions, please put them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe. Have yourself a great day.